Hello there, and welcome to the English with Shadowing. Congratulations, my friend. You've made it to day 5 of the challenge. That means 5 days of speaking, 5 days of focus, 5 days of showing up for yourself. I'm Tara, and today we celebrate your progress. But we're not done yet. Today's shadowing session will help you. Use longer, natural sentences. Tell your own story. Feel comfortable in conversations. Use everything you've learned this week. This is your moment to put it all together. Let's get started. Warm up, speaking in full sentences. Repeat after me. Focus on rhythm and flow. I've been practicing English every day and I can feel my improvement. Speaking out loud helps me become more confident and fluent. Even when I make mistakes, I keep going, because that's how I grow. I'm proud of myself for completing 5 days of this challenge. Today, I'm ready to speak freely, clearly, and naturally. Great. Your brain is ready. Let's move into real conversation-style shadowing. Part 1. Everyday conversations. 1 to 20. Repeat after me. These are common situations. Try to sound natural and relaxed. Hey, how was your weekend? Pretty good. I went out with some friends and watched a movie. That sounds fun. What did you watch? It was a comedy. Really funny and light. Nice. I haven't been to the cinema in ages. Do you want to grab coffee later this week? Sure, how about Thursday afternoon? Perfect. Let's meet at the cafe near the library. Sounds good. See you there. By the way, did you finish the project for class? Not yet. I'm still working on the final part. Let me know if you need help. I've already done mine. Thanks. I really appreciate that. No problem. We're all in this together. What are your weekend plans? I might go hiking if the weather's nice. That sounds amazing. I need more nature in my life. Me too. It helps me relax and reset. Let's plan a trip together sometime. Absolutely. Let's make it happen. Tip. Practice responding to questions and adding natural expressions like, sure, sounds good, or no problem. Part 2. Telling your story. 21 to 40. This part helps you build your personal voice in English. Repeat after me. Imagine you're telling someone about yourself. My name is Lin, and I'm from Vietnam. I started learning English seriously about 1 year ago. At first, I was really shy about speaking. I was afraid of making mistakes and being judged. But then I realized everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to keep going. So I began practicing a little bit every day. I listened to podcasts, repeated after them, and recorded myself. At first, it felt strange, but I slowly became more confident. Now I can have short conversations without freezing up. I still forget words sometimes, and that's okay. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. What helped me the most was shadowing, like we're doing now. Speaking out loud every day made me stronger. I also wrote in English, even if it was just a few sentences. Watching movies helped me understand real conversations. I also talked to myself in English while walking or cooking. My goal is to speak English fluently and naturally. I know I still have a long way to go. But now, I truly believe I can do it. Tip. You can change these sentences to match your own story. Try rewriting it in your words and practicing again. Part 3. Sharing opinions and having real talks. On 41 to 60. Repeat after me. Focus on expressing opinions and connecting ideas. I think learning English has changed the way I see the world. It's not just a skill. It's a bridge to new people and ideas. I've met people from other countries through English. We talked about culture, food, music, and life. I love that English gives me access to more knowledge. I can read books, listen to podcasts, and understand global news. But sometimes it's still hard. There are days when I feel like I'm not improving. On those days, I remind myself how far I've come. Comparing myself to others only makes me feel worse. So now, I only compare myself to who I was yesterday. I also think learning English should be fun. If it's boring, it's hard to stay motivated. That's why I choose materials I enjoy. I listen to topics I love and speak about things that matter to me. I'm learning English not just for school or work, but for myself. It gives me more freedom. I feel proud when I can express my thoughts clearly. And I know I'll keep getting better. Step by step, I believe in myself now more than ever. Tip: your opinions matter. Practice explaining your thoughts clearly. That's real fluency. Part 4. Real-life role-play. Job interview, 6180. Repeat after me. Imagine you're in a job interview. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Thank you for inviting me to this interview. I'm excited about the opportunity to join your team. My name is Min, and I'm a digital marketing specialist. I've been working in this field for over 5 years. I enjoy using creative strategies to reach new audiences. I'm passionate about communication and content creation. In my last role, I helped grow our social media by 40%. I also enjoy working in teams and solving problems. My strengths are creativity, consistency, and adaptability. I'm also good at learning new tools and systems quickly. I'd love to contribute my skills to your company. I'm excited to grow with your team and take on new challenges. I've read a lot about your company and really admire your work. Thank you again for this opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day. Tip: even if you're not applying for a job now, role-playing helps your brain simulate real English use. Closing. You did it. Day 5. Complete. Wow. Just take a breath and feel proud. You've just completed a full 5-day shadowing journey. That means you've spoke hundreds of sentences, practiced daily for over 25 minutes a day, built confidence, rhythm, and real expression, learned how to think in English, not just translate. This is not the end. This is the beginning of a powerful habit. Let me leave you with this. Repeat after me. I am no longer afraid to speak. My voice matters. My story matters. I will keep practicing, growing, and believing in myself. I speak English, and I'm proud of it.